All right, so now that you have all the basics done, now we get into the fun stuff, which is Hotjar. Hotjar gives you some incredible insights in the form of what people are clicking on, how far down they're going on the page. So this gives you some incredible insights. You can even have recordings of actual users on your site. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is head over to hotjar.com and click sign up. And this is the first thing that you do. So I'm going to go through with you. Let's get started. And I'm going to accept the terms and click next. My role will be consultant. You can choose whatever you want. We'll use this account to manage clients. No. Organization name, we're going to do one for bot sauce. Click next. Site URL, www.botsauce.com. And I am not a robot, so I'll click that. Start using Hotjar. By far the easiest way to do it is using this right here, the site ID. So what you're going to want to do is copy the site ID, head over to Tag Manager, click New, which, by the way, I'm putting this on the wrong website. Don't worry about it. Put it on the right website. You should only have one. I'm just doing this for this purpose. So click New, click Tag Configuration, and then type in Hotjar. And it's going to ask you what your site ID is. And this is where you're going to paste it in. And then for triggering, you're going to do all pages. And that's it. So when you click Save, it's going to ask you for the name, and it's going to auto-populate. You're going to click Save, and then make sure you publish. And now you have Hotjar installed on your Tag Manager. But what's really important here is that once you already have it, you're going to go over to Heat Maps, and you're going to create a new heat map. You can name it whatever you want. Heat map. I like to date it, so I'll just say July 22nd. Number of page views, you can leave it at 1,000. You automatically get 1,000 for free. If you want to pay more, you can get 2,000 or 10,000. That's pretty much how this whole thing is. It's freemium, so anybody that wants to sign up, you get a bunch of stuff for free. And if you need even more, you just pay for it. For page targeting, I'm just going to put in botsauce.com. HTTP. Review and save, and then I'm going to create my first heat map. This will run in the background. This is kind of something that once it hits 1,000, it'll cap off. You don't have to worry about it. Everything's done for that. The next one is you're going to want to create the recordings. It's really easy. You click record visitors. You won't be able to see any payment information. If they type in a form, you won't be able to see what they're typing in, but at least you'll be able to see, okay, they're clicking this, they're reading this. You can make some really good guesses from that. So head over to page targeting. I want to do any page. You can be really specific if you want, but I just like to, at first I like to just do everything. And then you start recording. And that's it. And just like that, you've installed Hotjar, you've installed it onto your Tag Manager, and now you also have heat maps and recordings that will be running in the background. But just don't forget when you're in Tag Manager to click Submit.